Niall Gilligan leaves Ennis Circuit Criminal Court this afternoon after being found not guilty of assaulting a 12-year-old boy with a stick. The court previously heard that on the 5th of October 2023, the boy and his friend went to the Jamaica Inn hostel in Sixmilebridge in County Clare, believing it to be abandoned, when Mr Gilligan, who owned the building, arrived to check on it, as it had been vandalised and broken into in the days before. It was the state's case that the boys ran away, but the 12-year-old slipped and fell, and it was claimed Mr Gilligan, who won an All-Ireland hurling final with Clare, whacked him with a stick on the leg and then hit him a number of times. The jury was shown photos of the injuries the boy was alleged to have suffered, with prosecution counsel Sarah Jane Comerford submitting that Mr Gilligan lost his cool, lost his control and punished the boy for the damage done to the property and the inconvenience of having to clean it up. The 48-year-old with an address in Ross Road, Kilmurray in Sixmilebridge pleaded not guilty to assault causing harm and production of a stick, with his barrister Patrick Wimms telling the court that his client didn't know he was dealing with a child and didn't create the situation, saying he was at the end of his tether over vandalism at the vacant property he was trying to sell. He also relied on the defence of reasonable force to protect the property from an intruder, saying he was in the dark and believed he was under siege that night. The jury of 7 men and 5 women began their deliberations yesterday afternoon, and after raising some questions about unanimity, Judge Francis Comerford told them just after 12 p.m. today they could return a majority verdict on which at least 10 of them agreed. At 12:58 the jury returned to the courtroom, having deliberated for just over 5 hours, and confirmed that they had found Niall Gilligan not guilty on both counts. Mr Gilligan didn't react as the verdicts were read out, however some members of his family began to cry. Judge Comerford thanked the jury for their service and excused them from jury duty for the next 5 years. Nicole Gernan, Virgin Media News at Ennis Circuit Criminal Court.